So let's try to understand representation of irrational numbers on the number line. How do we represent it? So to plot an irrational number is pretty hard, right? Because the value of the decimal expansion is like, what is root 3? 1.732 and different numbers, right? This is root 3. So how do I point this? How do I pinpoint this location? So for that, we are doing this method, okay? It's very simple. You don't need to know the theory behind it for exams. All you need to do is plot it. So it's easy. So root x be an irrational number. It can be root 3, root 5, any of those, okay? So to represent it on a number line, we will follow the following steps. First, take a point A, okay? Draw a line AB. What is AB measurement? AB is x centimeter. The entire length AB is x units, right? Not x units. So AB is how much? X units. Now extend AB to a point C. So 1 centimeter here will extend. Then what do? We draw the angle bisector, not the angle bisector. We draw the perpendicular bisector. Sorry, we draw the perpendicular bisector. So take A, right? Pinpoint on A using the compass, extend it and mark a dash on top and below. Similarly, take a point C and mark on top and below. Then join this. What did we construct? We constructed a perpendicular bisector. So what happens? This is the midpoint, as AO and OC are cut, right? AO and OC are cut. So we have to keep on O more than half, draw on top, more than half, draw on below, keep it on C more than half, on top and arc, same measurement of the arc, okay? And below, same measurement of the arc, top and below. And what happens? It cuts on the middle, right? So it cuts AC into 2 equal parts. So we find the midpoint of AC and name it O. So that point is O. Now we need to draw a semicircle. What is the measurement? As AO as the measurement, right? OA as the measurement, draw a semicircle. So once we draw a semicircle, it'll be like this, right? We draw the semicircle, okay? Then after drawing the semicircle, draw a perpendicular from B to that semicircle. This measurement, or this BD is root x, okay? So your BD will end up being root x. There is theory on it. I do have written it on a paper, okay? In the notes section, it is there, how this works. So how this works is not important to you guys. You just need to know how to draw it, okay? Only how to draw it is important. So what is BD? BD is the root x. So BD is root x. Okay, so the length of BD is root x. So this is how you have to construct. So once you have BD, right, you can take this length using a compass, right? And from zero, what do? We mark that. Suppose BD is here, right? We mark it like this, right? Using an arc. So this length is root x, correct? This measurement is root x. So this point is root x. So that's what you have to do. Very simple. Okay, this is how you have to plot or find root x. All right.